Hey, Dan here from VHIX 411. Today I have a car with an airbag light. I will show you the most common problem that can illuminate an airbag light, and you don't even need a scanner to diagnose it or reset it. I do have my scanner connected just to show you that it does throw a code for a left side airbag. Sometimes it would be a right side airbag. These are the most common problems to have the airbag light illuminated. Now, to fix it, it's pretty simple. You can turn off the car. Always turn off the car when you're working with airbag system, and I will open the door and get under the left seat. Since I have a code for the left seat, I already know where to look for. Now, as you can see, there's some paper, bottles, and here's a yellow plug, which is an airbag plug. There's only one yellow plug, airbag plug. So what I'll do a lot of times, I will kind of squeeze this, make sure it's connected in there. So since this guy, I just squeezed in there, make sure it's connected. You can do the same to your car. If you don't have a scan tool, shut off the ignition, just push on the plug, make sure it has a good connection on left side and right side. The most common problem, because you got trash in there, bottles in there, you move the seat back and forth, you vacuum, and it can trigger an airbag light. And once you connect that, you can just put the key back on, start the car, and the car will reset automatically. As you can see, it just reset the light, fixed the problem, saved you a trip to a dealer or a mechanic, saved you money. Now, if your car, you checked your left and right seats and the light is still on, you can try diagnosing it. There's some cars that you can't without a scan tool. You can look up on videos on my VHIX 411 channel. Also, some cars might require, the older cars usually require you resetting the airbag, which you also can do on some cars without a scan tool. So go to VHIX 411, search for a car that you're working on. There should be instructions on resetting or diagnosing without a scan tool. Otherwise, check your seats, plugs, make sure the key is out of the ignition, double check the connectors, plug them in really good and tight, start the car, light should be off. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. Actually, if it worked on your vehicle, put in year, make, model. That way people know which vehicle it worked for.